Hey everyone, let's have some fun today and make some Ondeh Ondeh. The first thing we need to do is make the pandan juice. For this, we're going to need 5 to 6 pandan leaves. Mine are super long, so I'm only going to use 4. Roughly cut them up and place in a blender jug along with 250 ml of water. Pop the lid on and blend until you get that beautiful green juice. Get a jug and place a fine strainer on top, and let's strain the pandan juice through to catch all the bits. For the dough, we need 250 grams of glutinous rice flour and 2.5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add half a teaspoon of salt and stir everything together with a spatula. Now we can pour in our fragrant pandan juice. Add a few drops of food coloring and give everything a mix. It will come together into a shaggy dough. Once that happens, we can use our hands to press together. Place the dough on the counter and knead it for about 30 seconds, just to bring it together into a smooth dough. Pinch a bit of dough and roll it in our palms to form a small ball. This recipe makes about 60 small balls. I like to make them smaller so they're easier to eat, but make them any size you like. Next, we need to make the filling. Super easy. We just need some gula melaka or palm sugar. Chop into chunks. Be generous with the chunks so our Ondeh Ondeh will be nice and juicy. Grab one of our balls and press the gula melaka chunk directly into it. Then pinch the dough to seal it closed. Roll it again to smooth everything out. Do the same for the rest. And that's it really, we're ready to cook them. Boil some water in a large pot and drop the Ondeh Ondeh into it one by one. Let them boil for about a minute or 2. In the meantime, don't forget to give this video a like if you're enjoying it and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. For the coconut coating, mix 1 teaspoon of salt with freshly grated coconut. Steam for 5 minutes or microwave for 2. Let's retrieve the balls from the pot. Shake off the excess water and place them immediately into our grated coconut. Roll the balls to coat entirely in the coconut. Arrange on a nice serving platter like this one I got from Ilham Ceramics and serve immediately. For some other vegan desserts, watch these videos next and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.